Imagine generating a vaccine for the novel coronavirus from your immune system. The virus that causes COVID-19 has swept the globe with about 1.3 million infections and 70,000 deaths through Sunday evening. Development of a widely available vaccine can take a year or more while a virus continues its rampage. Key to the race to develop a vaccine for the new coronavirus is a technology that uses the virus genetic code to essentially persuade your body to make its own vaccine. This technique is faster than egg-based manufacturing, which produces the majority of annual flu vaccines and led to delays in distributing a vaccine for H1N1 during the 2009 pandemic. And it's enabling a possible vaccine for the new coronavirus to be developed in record time. Coronavirus updates. Get the latest in USA Today's live blog. It's quicker to get started, said Clem Lewin, who is working on vaccine candidates for the manufacturer Sanofi Pasteur. All you need is the blueprint for the protein. Testing still will take time. Scientists must determine whether any of several vaccine candidates fight the virus effectively. If so, they need to determine the proper dose. This tinkering is what could take a year or more. When the first potential vaccine from the manufacturer Moderna was injected into people on March 16, Anthony Fauci, director of the National Institute of Allergy and Infectious Diseases, said he believed the coronavirus vaccine was being developed at a record pace. It took 63 days to go from identifying a virus's genetic sequence to testing a vaccine in people. Scrambling egg-based production. Several manufacturers pursuing a vaccine for the latest coronavirus have been aided by a technological innovation. The method that Moderna, Sanofi and others are pursuing is different from traditional vaccinations, in which a weakened or dead version of the virus is introduced into the body, triggering it to create antibodies that would attack the live virus should the person be exposed to it. In the new approach, pieces of messenger RNA that hold the chemical template of a spike protein from the SARS-CoV-2 virus are injected into a human, said Mark Slifka, a professor of viral immunology at Oregon Health and Science University in Portland, Oregon. The spikes are what the virus uses to attach to a human cell, the first step in sickening someone. In response to the injection of those molecules, the cells in the body produce the spike protein encoded by that mRNA. That triggers the body to mount an immune response to that viral protein, just as in traditional vaccines. Essentially, the patient makes their own vaccine, says the narrator of a Moderna video about the vaccine. This cuts out the middleman. Fauci said volunteers would be given 2 injections of the potential coronavirus vaccine, the second after 28 days. The doses are 25 milligrams, 100 milligrams and 250 milligrams, he said. The individuals will be followed for 1 year, both for safety and whether it induces the kind of response that we predict would be protective, Fauci said. Moderna, the manufacturer conducting the initial tests, projected the first commercially available vaccine in 12 to 18 months. A corporate filing March 23 said CEO Stefan Bancel told Goldman Sachs, "It is possible that under emergency use, a vaccine could be available to some people, possibly including healthcare professionals, in the fall of 2020.